Okay, now let's see, this is example 1, and it says simplify the expression, the square root of 250. Now guys, I can kind of see, because I've been doing this for a long time, you know I'm old, I can kind of see that there's a perfect square in there. It's 25 times 10. But you may not have seen that. I mean, you know, you're thinking about other stuff right now. So you may be thinking, I don't know, okay, how do I do this? Well, here is a foolproof way of doing it, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to take the number 250 and we're going to prime factor it, okay? So let's just say it's 25 times 10. And then I'm going to break that 25 down into 5 times 5. And those are both prime, so I'll put circles around them. And then 10 is also 5 times 2. Okay? But remember, this was a radical, so these are all square roots, right? So I'm going to rewrite this as the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 2. If I multiply them all together, and I can do that because they're square roots or they're radicals, I'm going to get the square root of 250. But what I want to look for are pairs. The square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is equal to the square root of 25 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 2. Now I know what this is. The square root of 25 is just 5. Now I can't simplify these two things. They're not perfect squares and I don't have a pair of them. So I just have to put them back together and I get 5 times the square root of 10. And that's it. That is simplified. Okay? Now, I want us to do this again. I'm just going to rewrite it over here. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 2. Okay, that's what the square root of 250 breaks down to. Now, I showed you why this worked, right? The square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is equal to the square root of 25. But as a shortcut, you can just say this. If I have a pair, I get the number that's underneath, right? They both have a 5 inside the radical. So a pair of root 5s gives me 5. And then these, I don't have a pair, so I just multiply them back together and I get the square root of 10. And that's it. All right? Pretty simple there, guys, I think. Okay, good job. Let's look at this next example.